As soon as I laid eyes on my bathroom in my new apartment, I liked it. All except for one thing: the tub. I'm not a bather, and when you're not and only use the tub as your shower tray, it's such a nuisance. Mine was a new take on a clawfoot and had very slopey sides, so to be honest, I'm surprised that I haven't injured myself this past year. I managed to get rid of the tub by posting it on our building's Facebook page. And a couple of weeks ago, my neighbor and I carried it over to her place. For the first time, I got a sense of what the space would look like with a shower wall instead of a tub. And I liked what I saw. I went for as sleek a glass wall as I could without going custom. I didn't want any bells and whistles like fancy detailed hardware, just a simple pane of glass and a rain shower head and a hand shower too. I'm very happy with my choice. It's there, but it's not in your face. Before returning things into their places, I gave the whole bathroom a good cleaning. I'd cleaned the walls and scrubbed the floors prior to installation to make sure I got all the grease and residue off before they installed the glass. After installation, I needed to give it a good cleaning again to get rid of the dust from drilling. When it came to storage for things in the actual shower area, I had a really hard time finding something that isn't a wire cage. I wanted something with a flat bottom, and preferably something that would mostly cover anything inside but still drain. In the end, I found these Danish ones via Pinterest and tracked down a Swedish source. Not cheap, but very solid power-coated steel, so I hope they will last me. I went for 2 of them. The bottom one holds pump bottles with soap, shampoo and conditioner. The top one holds the little not so pretty things like foot file, razor, etc. I put it high enough so I don't see inside from afar, but can still easily reach inside for what I need. This little wooden stool is also a more recent addition to the bathroom. I have IBS and it helps. Google it. Loving my PostPoo Drops from Aesop. I use them after flushing, it's the best invention ever. The rug is still the same as I had before, but I'm now only using the bigger size. My son Ville took over the smaller ones. The laundry portion of the bathroom is still intact. I do still want to sand down the orange varnish on the cabinet doors, but that's a job I'm saving for this summer when I can do it outside. When I went to Paris this past summer, I came across this magnetic soap holder and was super happy. My German grandma had a similar one when I visited her growing up. I loved it then and I love it now. It allows me soap bars without the gloppy goo. The soap just drips straight into the sink. Perfection. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also consider subscribing. It really helps my channel when you do. I'll continue to share all things Scandinavian from my apartment here in Stockholm and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.